Welcome to WonderKids Workshop. Hello, wonderful viewers. I'm thrilled to have you here at WonderKids Workshop, where we embark on a journey of discovery and learning. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of child development through the lens of Jean Piaget's groundbreaking theory. Introduction to Piaget's theory. Jean Piaget, a renowned Swiss psychologist, introduced the theory of cognitive development, which has significantly shaped our understanding of how children learn and grow. His theory emphasizes the dynamic interplay between a child's innate abilities and their experiences in the world. The importance of Piaget's theory. Piaget's theory is pivotal in understanding the cognitive processes that unfold in a child's mind as they progress through different stages of development. It provides insights into how children acquire knowledge, solve problems, and build a foundation for future learning. Where Piaget's theory is applied today. Piaget's theory continues to play a crucial role in education, psychology, and child development. It has influenced teaching methods, curriculum design, and educational policies worldwide. Understanding Piaget's stages can aid educators and parents in tailoring learning experiences to match a child's developmental level. Exploring Piaget's stages. Sensory-motor stage, 2 years. Infants explore the world through their senses and motor skills, developing object permanence. Pre-operational stage to 7 years. Children use symbols, language, and imagination, but struggle with logical reasoning. Concrete operational stage, 7-11 years. Logical thought begins to emerge, and children can understand concrete concepts and perform simple mental operations. Formal operational stage, 11+ years. Abstract thinking develops, enabling adolescents to engage in hypothetical and deductive reasoning. In conclusion, Piaget's theory provides a comprehensive framework for understanding the intricate process of cognitive development in children. By recognizing and respecting the unique characteristics of each stage, we can foster an environment that nurtures optimal learning experiences. A big thank you for joining us today at WonderKids Workshop. If you found this exploration of Piaget's theory intriguing, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue this exciting journey of discovery together. Until next time, happy learning.